Hello, this is Dr. Stark, and this screencast is to assist you with getting one of your assignments completed in LiveText for this ethics course. And so you can see that I have logged into my LiveText account, and if I scroll down, I will see tabs for the various courses that I'm enrolled in this quarter as a student. And one of the courses that you are enrolled in as a business student is Management 282, and our section is BA in the evening. And so you'll see when you log into your account, all you will see is the ethics assignment. But what I've done for the purpose of this demonstration is created a separate assignment called Student Demo for Ethics. So again, when you log in, you'll just see the ethics assignment. But I wanted to, because I've demonstrated this once, I wanted to start from the beginning to show you how to go ahead and complete your assignment. So you'll notice that LiveText uses a red, yellow, green system. And so in the red, we'll see Begin Assignment. And so you'll want to go ahead and click on that tab. And there are 3 steps. And so first is the directions, and this is regarding some of the things that we've done in this course. And it says that you'll want to click to create the template for S213 Management 282 below. And so when I look at step 2 of 3, it says click Begin Using Template. And so one of the things that I think is pretty seamless that most students don't notice is that when we came in, we were on the Dashboard tab. Now we're in our Courses tab, and you'll watch as soon as I click on Begin Using Template, we'll jump to the Documents tab. And so click on Begin Using Template. And what that does, you'll see that it switched up at the top, is it has created a document for me so that I can work within, so that I could turn around and submit to my professor for review. And up here it says that my assignment has not been submitted yet. It has my name and it tells me when the deadline is. And this is a pretty custom assignment compared to probably most of the assignments you've had with other faculty in LiveText, and so I wanted to show you exactly what you want to be working on. So the first thing that I've put in here is we've done quite a bit of work between the ethical lens inventory and the hot topics on the ethics game, so I put a little link to the ethics game site. And then I also put in a place, if you want to put in your password, you use your Robert Morris email address. This isn't necessary, but sometimes students forget, and so it's a good place to have a record of this. If any time I want to add something to this page, you'll see that I have edit in each section. So this line kind of decides the sections. And so if I wanted to put in my password, I would click Edit. And then I get the text box, and if I wanted to submit my password, I can type my password in there, and then when I'm happy with that, I will hit Save and Finish, and that saves my information and then brings me back out to the page, and I can see that my information I typed is there. The first section that I'd like you to complete is a review on your ethical lens inventory, that you pulled that information at the beginning of the quarter that you either had previously completed in another course, most likely Management 280, or if you did not, you purchased an access code and completed the ethical lens inventory in this class. And so again, I'd like you to hit the Edit button and list the 4 lenses. Well, we've been working on these lenses all quarter: the rights and responsibility, the reputation, the results, and the relationship lens. You're just going to list those 4 lenses and then answer the following questions. And again, you'll put your cursor right after these boxes. You can use any kind of editing tools if you want to highlight or add bullets or anything else. So based on your decisions made after taking the ethical lens inventory, first of all, what I'd like you to do is write in what was your preferred lens. So again, if you were periscope, which means you sat really close to the center, instead of just saying periscope, I would say periscope and say I was in the center, which means I had a pretty good idea of what's going on with everything. Or you're going to say I was in the relationship lens, or for some of you like me, I kind of toggled the line between 2 lenses, and so my results were 2 lenses. And then answer these couple questions. So describe how you view the core values of autonomy, inequality, rationality, and sensibility. So just a little bit of your input there. What is your key phrase? Now recall that you can go into your ethics game account and review this information, or you can go into Blackboard in the gradebook and retrieve this information, because we did do an assignment on this in the beginning of the quarter where you copied all of your results, so you should be able to pull your key phrase from there. What is or are your gifts according to that inventory? What is or are your blind spots? And then the second part of this is, how has this knowledge helped you deal with others? And so that's a critical thinking piece there. And then any other comments that you'd like to add from the ethical lens inventory. It could be that it was, spot on, it was very accurate. It could be that most of it was good, but some of it wasn't. Whatever happens to be, that's up to you. And so again, when you want to work in this section, you're going to click Edit, type your responses in here, so you've got a whole range of toolbars up here. Add your information, change your font color, and then when you are done, you are going to save and finish for that section. The third section is your personal code of ethics. Again, you did this assignment in class, so what I'm asking you to do is to go back and pull this information that you already did. So again, you can go back through the grade book and look up your personal code of ethics and just copy that box. I think I asked you for anywhere from 5 to 8 qualities. And what I'd like you to do is go ahead and put that in there. Now, this is your opportunity to revise. If you missed something that you thought was really important that you'd like to add, go ahead and add another one. If you'd like to take something off or change your statement up a little bit following, this would be your opportunity to do that. And then your final piece on this assignment is your reflection. And so again, you'll click on the edit button and you'll type directly in the box, but reflect on the work you've done. So now, knowing about the various ethical lenses and your preferred lenses and the hot topics, do you feel these activities have helped broaden your knowledge of ethics, both on a personal level and on a professional level? And I'd like you to do that in a paragraph or more. The reason why I ask on a personal level is because the chapter focus assignments were specifically designed to have you reflect on your personal life. And so hopefully, after writing down some of these thoughts about things that happened in your childhood, in your education, in your place of work, things that you've experienced, that maybe this has changed you. And on a professional level, have these lenses helped you be more empathetic towards people that have different views or something like that. So anyway, so you complete your information here, and once you are done filling in all the boxes, you're going to click on this red continue to step 3. And what happens here is you'll notice that it jumps back to the documents tab. It has actually attached this document that you are working on. You'll see it right here, and what's nice is it's here, and if you want to review it, you can click on it and look at it again. If you want to write me any comments, you can, and you can go ahead and click Submit Assignment. And so at this point it says, congratulations, you've been submitted. Now all of a sudden that red bar, which was waiting for submission, is now awaiting assessment. It has your document. It shows a copy of what you submitted. So this isn't something where you're attaching files, you're just typing in the box. This should be everything that you submitted. And you're in good shape. How do you know? When you go back out and click on that dashboard tab for my class, you will see this yellow view assignment, which means I haven't taken a look at it yet. When I do look at it, it will turn to green and it will say view assessment. And this is a graded assignment, and the assignment grade you will find in your Blackboard course. If you need any help with LiveText, they're a great organization to work with. They're located in LaGrange Park. Their phone number is 1-866-LiveText. Their support department is open until 9 o'clock at night, so when you call, a recording is on, I think, after 6 p.m. And just wait, and there's a prompt for clicking to support. They're closed on Saturdays, and Sundays they're open from noon to 6. So if you need any help, they're a great resource, or you can always contact me.